Hello everyone and welcome. Have you been wondering how to reset your character in the Linking AI app? Well, we did this video is for you. Let's look at it. Linking AI app is an app that helps you to chat with characters. Now let's go. Unfortunately, there isn't a specific reset button for characters within the Linking AI app. However, you can effectively reset their behavior by 1. The simplest method is to start a completely new chat with a character. This clears the existing conversation history and allows the character to respond more generally or according to its initial programming. Another thing you can do is to totally change the topic drastically. What do I mean? Introduce a completely new and unrelated topic to the conversation. This will help the character shift its focus and potentially reset its current conversational pattern. Third thing you can do is use specific prompts. Like say, you can type or say, forget everything we've talked about and let's start over. This will help guide the character to behave more independently. Important notice: Linking AI characters may retain some information from previous conversations even after a new chat is started. The level of reset may vary depending on the character and how it has been programmed. But by using these methods, you can effectively reset the behavior of a Linking AI character and encourage it to respond differently. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.